In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Wix editor. Whether you're a newbie looking to customize your website or a pro wanting to tweak some features, these easy steps will guide you through the process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Any will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. And once you're ready, head over to the Wix homepage by typing in wix.com into your browser's address bar. Or you can simply click on a bookmark if you have one set up, making it an even faster start. Once you've arrived at wix.com, direct your eyes towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and give it a click. This step is crucial because logging into your account is how you gain access to the backend of your website where the magic happens. If you happen not to have an account yet, you'll need to sign up instead, but let's assume for now that you're already registered. After clicking Login, a page will appear offering you a couple of options. You can either continue with Google, which is a great option if you prefer streamlined access, or you can enter your email and password manually. Choose whichever method works best for you. For quicker access, if you often find yourself juggling between different accounts and websites, using the Continue with Google option might save some time and frustration. Once you've logged in successfully, you're going to be taken to a page showcasing all your active sites. It's like your little virtual domain. Now, look for the website that you want to work on today. Once you spot it, click on your site. It's simple yet pivotal as this step takes you to the specific site dashboard you want to edit. Now, on your site's dashboard, you'll see several options, but what you're interested in is editing. Look for the Edit Site button. It's typically easy to find as it's prominently displayed, perhaps along a navigation panel. Clicking here is going to take you straight into the Wix editor's interface, where all of your creative and functional edits take place. And just like that, you're in. The Wix editor is now at your fingertips, ready for any creative touches you wish to apply. You can begin to move around elements, change designs, or add media, just to name a few possibilities. From here on, your design journey is bound only by your imagination and creativity. So, have fun exploring and designing your site to perfection. Thank you for tuning into this guide on how to open the Wix editor. If you found this helpful, consider sharing with others who might benefit from these straightforward tips. Happy editing!